Hello and welcome JVs, it's Peter Rozak here and I'd like to welcome you to the official JV launch page for software that's really going to change the way anyone can make sales videos, presentations, promotions, or any other kind of video. We've developed a brilliant new software here that makes professional animated video creation a snap. I'm sure you're tired of the plain old photo and text slideshow. It's time everyone can make the kind of videos that are proven to cash in big time as sales letters and normally cost thousands of dollars to produce. We've built it with the most important intention, to make video creation fast, easy, and something anyone can do regardless of their skills or knowledge. And our target being marketers and offline businesses in need of videos. It's so easy to make captivating and beautiful videos you probably won't believe it at first. Users can easily customize the text, images, colors, music, and special effects of their video. You're looking right now at some of the sample videos created. VideomakerFX provides so much value. Not only do users save thousands of dollars in the type of software you would need to create such videos, but it saves so much time, a resource you just can't get enough of, because it just takes minutes to make a video. All customers get full developer rights to their generated videos so they can sell and profit from them however they want. Okay guys, let's look at our powerful sales funnel that we have set up for this launch. Our front end is the software, VideomakerFX, and that alone provides the capability to generate videos just like the ones you've seen here and the ones featured right here on this page. It just takes a few clicks to make a video and it's fully Windows and Mac compatible. Now for our two one-time offers. For our first OTO, we have our Pro Themes Pack, an irresistible add-on set of more themes, slides, animations that give even more possibility to the software. You can also preview those below. They're really incredible and suitable for many businesses. And our second OTO we have is Video Profit FX, which is a step-by-step video training guide on selling promotional videos to both online and offline businesses, and it also includes additional themes that are targeted for these offline and online businesses. It's really a great add-on to the software that teaches users exactly how to profit from their videos. Alright, so to make even more money, let's get to the prizes. We have over $2,500 in JV prizes set up, with our top prize being $1,000 cash. We launch on Monday, May the 5th at 11 a.m. EST, and our launch period is from May 5th to May 12th. You'll find all the launch details on this page and my contact information as well. Please feel free to get in touch with me at any time. VideomakerFX really sells itself. There's no easier way right now to make powerful, engaging videos that command the viewer's attention. These days, everyone needs a video, and VideomakerFX makes your videos stand out from the rest. Sign up right now and I'll keep you updated with all the latest JV updates with our launch. And I'll see you at 11 a.m. EST on Monday, May the 5th for a truly incredible launch of this new software.